Is dairy really the villain in healthy eating, or could it be a misunderstood ally? Alan Aragon asserts that fears surrounding dairy's health effects are greatly exaggerated and unfounded. While animal welfare and environmental issues deserve attention, the health impacts of dairy are often misunderstood. Dairy foods, rich in calcium and protein, provide essential nutrients crucial for athletes and bodybuilders. Lactose intolerant? Alan Aragon has solutions that make dairy accessible even for those sensitive to it. It's true that dairy consists of various foods, each affecting health in unique ways, like butter versus yogurt. A comprehensive review showed that dairy generally benefits human health more than it harms it. In fact, dairy consumption is linked to reduced risks of cardiovascular disease and even colorectal cancer. Why so much negativity? A major reason is lactose intolerance, affecting a significant portion of the population. Fortunately, options exist for lactose-intolerant individuals, ensuring they still can enjoy the benefits of dairy.